vice grip on the spring, and then what do you call that?
It came with the Allen wrench set to grab a hold of the small part of the Allen wrench, but it's just a piece of piping. Basically. There. And then you take then when you're done, take
Hold on.
where's the hammer at? And prefer, if there's a space, put a couple 3/4 washers right here to keep this from sliding. I don't know how to because that spring's longer, but I would suggest